Hello! Welcome to Video Conversion TV. I'm Alon Kedar, CEO of TVPage. Here with Matt Babineau, our VP Product Marketing. What we're going to talk about in this episode 8, I believe, is how we can create any experience with TVPage using our developer tools. And so why don't we start here by looking at a demo account that we created. You have multiple TV pages in this account. Let's look at the top one, called Style Coalition. So on this TV page, you can find and add videos, organize your content, manage your spots, your calls to action, and of course, watch it and test. So when we go to organize, you'll see, just kind of get a feel of the content that's on this TV page. All this content was brought in from YouTube. And we have a bunch of channels. How many videos do you guess we have on this TV page, Matt?
400 maybe.
Probably, easily. So let's close out this organized interface. And by the way, as we all know, we talked about this in one of the episodes before, you can drag and drop, create channels, you can organize it as you wish, and continuously change it based on the needs of your sites, your properties, and how you want to present your content. So we have the management of this TV page. It happens right here. Let's go and watch this TV page. I think we have this set to one of our templates called Browse and Buy. This template is called Browse and Buy. It's, you can browse this content using the guide list here, the different channels. It also displays the spots, which are managed, as I showed you before, on that TV page. Why don't we go and change this template, and you'll kind of get a feel for the level of customization that we have without developer tools, just to get started. Cover. I'll change to cover template and save that. Watch the TV page one more time. Okay, now this particular TV page is being presented in a whole different manner. So that guide list is presented differently. You can navigate through it with the channels right here and the videos. This entire experience can be easily embedded on a site. But what do you do if you want an entirely different experience that only you know how to create or design?
And you must be a developer then.
Then you must be a developer or need a developer, more than likely. So let's talk about what can happen or how this TV page can present itself differently. If we go to next tab up here, we see this exact TV page, the Style Coalition TV page collection that I just showed you, presented here in an entirely different layout that has been customized to fit this particular website. So right here, this is something different, new, fresh, that is unique to this site. Matt, maybe you can explain to our audience how would you go about creating such an experience with TVPage?
Well, creating a TV page experience like this definitely requires a developer if you're not one. So get one if you don't have one. We at TVPage believe in open source, and because of that, we've released several different projects on GitHub that enable you to build upon TVPage's platform. Building on TVPage's platform can happen in a couple different ways. The basis of our framework is an open API, data API, that you can read the information that TVPage has stored in its management interface so that you can then reformat that with code to make the interfaces that you want. To actually display those interfaces, we have full front-end JavaScript code that enables you to customize the display using HTML and CSS. So it's a fully dynamic JavaScript application that can be installed on WordPress, Drupal, Joomla, or any other CMS that you might have.
Makes a lot of sense to me. I wanted to ask one question though, Matt. Once I implement this, assuming I'm a developer, I have a developer implements it for me and creates this really cool TV experience that either becomes my site or is a part of my site. If I want to manage that content, if I update it or change it at any given time, is it instantly update on the fly? Or
yeah, the really cool thing about this is that when you build with TVPage, you get all the benefits of TVPage as well as the custom implementation that you made.
So you're saying I could actually, why don't we go back to the TVPage account here, that one view before we saw right here, of that custom website. So if I were to go now and delete one of these videos, why don't we do that? Go up to the top here. Yeah, just look at one of the videos there, scroll up to the top. DKNY Fall Winter. So if we go into the actual TVPage management interface, and we go to Organize, and say we delete that top video, DKNY Fall Winter, we see it here. Let's close out this modal. Go back there, refresh, and see what happens. I think it's gone. Exactly. So essentially, I'm now able to manage my custom experience. I'm guessing any other template that I could still generate would also be updated instantaneously?
Yeah, exactly. It's a live data API, so anytime you change anything in the management interface, anywhere that TV page is embedded or you've implemented a custom implementation, it'll all change at once.
So for syndication, something that we talk a lot about on our site, and you're welcome to go and check out, you can take this collection in a different template and put it on Facebook, for example.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right. So if we go back to the account here, and we watch this TV page here, I think we set it to, was it cover template?
Yeah.
I believe so. So this particular cover template can now be added to my Facebook page.
Sure. Yeah.
And if I were to update it here, it would change on my custom TV site or video-driven site, as well as my Facebook page at the same time.
Exactly.
Wow, that seems pretty cool to me. So I guess if you're a company and you want to generate a collection of your videos on your site, you have several options with TVPage. You can create a template. You can pick a template, off the shelf here and pretty much do the job on your own and embed it just like you would embed a YouTube video. Or you can take it one step further and create an entire experience with the help of a developer. And I would imagine it's not terribly difficult for a developer to do this because we've put together a lot of the tools.
Yeah, the tools are there, the documentation's there as well, so it's an open source project. Feel free to fork it on GitHub. It's all there ready to be used.
Beautiful. So once you get started with TVPage, the sky's really the limit. You can create multiple experiences, you can manage those experiences across multiple web properties, and convert your viewers to action from wherever they may be. Thanks a lot for watching. This is Video Conversion TV. Stay tuned for episodes to come.